Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a brief assembly walkthrough and review on this 3-shelf utility cart made by OEMTools from Mobile Distributor Supply. Link to this product will be included in the description below. As you can see, this is a utility cart, comes neatly packed in a box, weighing about 33 pounds, and is ready for assembly. Each of the shelves have their own plastic to prevent any scratching, along with foam protectors. Model number 24635, this utility cart is an all-steel construction with gloss powder coated finish, both being black and green, which is a very typical color for OEMTools color scheme. Once together, this cart has total dimensions of 28.7 inches in length, 15.17 inches in width, and 30.88 inches in height. Maximum capacity for the utility cart is 202.8 pounds or 92 kilograms with a maximum shelf capacity of 74.9 pounds or 32 kilograms. Included with this cart is all the hardware required for the assembly: 3 shelves, 4 vertical single angles, a handle, and 4 4-inch rubber casters. Everything is well wrapped in this kit and the assembly is fairly straightforward. This utility cart does come with assembly instructions to outline which parts go where. For me, I laid out the bottom shelf, installed 3 of the vertical angles, and then installed the center shelf. Installing the fasteners, but not tightening everything down, just so the holes can be aligned easily and centered. The only tools really needed for this assembly procedure is a couple wrenches and a Phillips screwdriver. Once you have all the fasteners and the shelves in place, finish up by installing the handle. Then tighten everything down. After that, flip the utility shelf upside down and install the 4 rubber casters. At the end, we are left with something that's very well made, sturdy, and ergonomic utility cart. This makes a great addition for anyone's workshop or garage. This utility cart can be used as extra storage, a spot to put your tools when working on your vehicle, or even a spot to organize a disassembled project. The powder coated finish provides a durable, easy to clean surface, solid steel construction, and is the perfect size. Have you purchased this cart? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below to help out fellow viewers. New videos are uploaded every week. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.